I don't know. We'll find out. We'll let the people see. Hey, people. We are here at 616 Martin Street in Altamont Springs in the Oakland Estates neighborhood. Why are we here? We're here because I grew up in this neighborhood. My parents still live in this neighborhood. Mario, can you pan over here for me for a second? Listen, that tree down there on the left hand, you guys may know Stephen Curley. He fell out of that tree when we were kids.
Did he break anything?
He did not break anything. It was a miracle. He landed directly on the lowest limb on his back. I thought he was a goner, but he just walked it off like a man that he is.
What's up, Lisa?
This home...
Let me pan this way, too.
Yeah, pan that way.
Call the number.
Yeah.
If you know anybody that wants cash for the house. All right, thank you.
So this neighborhood has homes that are between 1,200 to 1,700. There's a couple that squeaked out 2,000 square feet. And then somebody added onto their house. And now this is a 6-bedroom, 4.5 or 4.25 bath, we'll say. We'll find out what that quarter means. And it has just under 2,900 square feet. So let's get in here. This place has been updated. They've been reducing the price every single week in the past couple of weeks. They want to sell this home.
I wonder why.
Let's get a good deal. Well, I mean, I think I kind of explained why. The home is bigger than the rest of the houses, and so homes sometimes have a hard time selling when you're the biggest home in a neighborhood.
So don't buy the biggest home. And yeah, that's it.
Buy the biggest home in a certain situation if it suits your needs. Like I need 6 bedrooms. I love this neighborhood, so it actually would be good for me. The home is missing one thing that I need, which is the only reason that I haven't bought this home.
Backyard.
It's the backyard, absolutely. So, Mario, what do you think about this I don't know if it's luxury vinyl plank or if it is a laminate, but it's got those cool modern grays in it.
I like the color. I don't like the product per se.
Okay. Well, let me show you one of my pet peeves about people laying flooring. And this you know. I don't like when the lines line up all the way down a room. You're supposed to stagger them, people, so when you're doing your flooring, please stagger it. But I like the kitchen. I guarantee you that originally there was a wall here that they took out. There was probably only a little doorway like this. We have a pantry right here. Beautiful. Look at that, they even put in some shelves. I like it. I'd probably put in some more shelves.
Yeah. You think kitchen for a 6-bedroom home should be a little bit bigger?
No, I don't necessarily think it should be bigger just because I know this neighborhood and this is the size.
Hi, Grace.
This is the size of the kitchens. So
okay.
You're not gonna get a 100 square foot kitchen in a home in this neighborhood. So it's actually big for this neighborhood.
Okay.
Well, let's start knocking out these bedrooms before we go and take a look upstairs.
It's a good size.
I would say this is a great size bedroom. Updated slider.
Yeah, the windows here, right? Or at least the sliders.
Rolls nicely. And
I like these arches.
Yeah, this, the backyard's why I can't buy it. Because of the addition to the house and this awesome screened-in area, there's no place for my kids to run around. Now, Lake Oriente Elementary is just on the other side of these houses in the backyard. And Eastmont Park is right down the road, so if you're not really worried about your kids playing in your own backyard.
What's up, Marty?
This neighborhood, I would actually let my kids just roam free in this neighborhood. That's what we did when I was growing up.
Times have changed, Derek.
Who said that? You or they?
I don't know.
You. Times have changed. Fair enough.
Right, on to the next few bedrooms. I think there's 4 on this floor. Take us there, Eric. Take us there.
Yeah, let's see what we got. Let's look in here first.
Yeah.
This is a nice updated bathroom with 18 by 24 inch tile in the shower. We got the dual flush on the toilets. I'm a big fan of the dual flush, the 1 for 1, 2 for 2.
I like the tile that they've used.
Uh-huh.
Here's my thing though.
Yeah, tell me.
I don't like the situation right here. The situation right here.
With this wall?
Yeah. That, I mean, if you're gonna have that, that says we're planning on putting a glass enclosure, but we didn't get to it.
No, that's in there because that's where the drain pipes are for the tub.
Right. Then they put an access panel, put drywall there.
Oh, you don't like that they tiled it, you're saying?
Yeah, and then there's empty space in there. I don't know what's up with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
And also,
I probably had a closet.
yeah. Also, this situation right here, not a big fan.
Oh, yeah, not a fan either. I agree with that wholeheartedly.
I mean, they say details, the finishing details with the flip sometimes take as much as half the time of the flip.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Huh.
So you gotta pay attention to that stuff. Is that an exterior wall?
No, this backs up to the other bedroom. I'm pretty sure this is real brick.
Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah, I'm curious as to why that's there. I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
I don't know.
But I also don't love it. So I guess it is what it is. They got a little creative here in this closet.
Yeah, you see this new construction places, and you come into the garage.
My guess is going to be that they stole some. This probably was a much bigger closet, and they stole some space,
Right.
and so they had to address it. We'll find that once we get on the other side. This room, it's a decent sized room, is a good place to put your dresser. Would you have rather this also been a closet, Mario?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like empty space right there.
Well, I mean, I like to put my dressers in closets, so that would have worked out. All right, let's see. I'm gonna guess that this room was the original master over here. And if it was the original master, it was a small original master. This is probably the smallest room out of the three that we've seen so far.
Yeah, that's tiny.
Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna have to deal with the sound of the fan there.
Nice little shower.
Yeah. So I'll bet either that shower was smaller, or maybe this was originally a half bath, and they wanted to make the shower bigger. That's where the decorative closet is on the other side.
Maybe that's where the washer and dryer were.
Washers and dryers in this neighborhood are in the garage.
Not in this house.
Not in this house. I haven't seen a washer and dryer yet, so you must know where they're. You must know where it's at. So here's the living space.
So I like this barn door.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I would have tried to match the barn door and color to this situation right here,
Yes,
which looks like pallet wood. It might not be, but it looks like it.
Yeah.
So I would have tried to get the same stain on it there, and those also complement this fireplace with something else a little bit more modern, or something that would better suit the color of the wood.
Absolutely agree.
Amen.
And due to the fireplace being here, I feel like this
As your mother.
this kind of ends up being wasted space.
Yeah.
Right? Because you're going to have all your furniture out here. I guess you could have a single chair here.
Sitting areas,
There's
two
little
chairs.
here. So we do have a closet under the stairs. And if you were wondering what that quarter bath is, here's a quarter bath. You're not going to be able to wash your hands.
Right.
Sorry guys, just not going to happen. I'm not sure why they even put it there.
So this doesn't have a garage, right?
It does. The garage is on the other side. You have to go right outside the front door. There's a door
Oh, I see.
on the left. Yeah, we'll sneak a peek in there. I guess, let's see. No, I still don't see where the washer and dryer go. I see the electrical panel is updated. The AC looks like it is startup date 2017, so that's relatively new. Ah, here we go. Washer and dryer is inside. However, no vent in this room.
What does that mean, Eric?
That means it's not going to be heated and cooled.
All right, great. A lot of people don't know. You know, why? Oh yeah, but like, what does it mean in general to the square footage of the house?
If it's included in the square footage, I would take it out because it's not heated and cooled.
Right.
So if it's in the 28, almost 2,900 square feet, I would back it out when
Okay.
running my comps.
Hey, can you explain over here the piping? What's going on with that piping?
This is polybutylene piping, which a lot of insurance companies do not like. So your insurance costs are going to be higher because there's fewer providers willing to take the risk.
Ew.
Yeah.
So yeah, so if you're shopping for a house right now, your agent should know about that piping and about electrical panels and about checking the age of the AC when possible. Sometimes it has a manufacturer date on it. But if they don't, now you can tell them what kind of piping does it have.
That's right.
Will I pay more for insurance or not?
So here's a view of the rest of the backyard. Yeah, I mean, I like
Man,
how
who
big...
thought of those arches, huh?
I don't know.
It looks like the Colosseum, the first level of the Colosseum.
Going for that Mediterranean feel. But
Look at
I
the
mean,
surprise
I like
up there. Look
how
at that.
big that screen porch is. You could do a lot with
Yeah.
that area. I'm just I like to sit outside kind of guy.
Hey Daniel, welcome to the party.
Let's go upstairs, Mario. Let's see what awaits us upstairs.
Up we go.
Alright, one of the first things I notice is I can already tell it's warmer up here. I don't know if you noticed it as you were coming.
A lot
coming
warmer.
upstairs. Yeah, it's a lot warmer. Updated bathroom. Looks good. Little tiny closet.
What's up
there.
with that?
Yeah, it works. You can put some stuff there.
So Eric and I are actually investors, and we have different rules
Yeah.
of what kind of properties we buy, whether it's for flip or rental or whatever. But one of my rules is I gotta love the layout. And this right here, like if I saw something like this with a closet right there, I'm out. I mean, there's been a lot of quirky things throughout this home that would make me be out. But yeah, stuff like this bother me, so.
Yeah, I would work around it. There's a lot of solutions for things like that. You can wall it in. Someone might think it's
Safe.
It's
It's a safe house.
That's definitely not.
It's a safe space.
All right.
You know what's not safe? This thing right here. I'm not entirely sure this is safe,
I'm
Eric.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
So this is the ceiling
If I fall
from the.
through, the video will go viral. And
Yeah,
it'll be fine.
we'll make it epic.
But
So this is the ceiling for
I think it's
the
okay.
bedroom downstairs where the laundry was.
Right. But you can definitely put some lawn chairs. I would go with those old school woven ones, with the
Yeah.
aluminum frames. I think that would look real nice out here. So you think that? No, I'm kidding.
Probably, I don't know.
Maybe.
Let's hope so.
It's tough to say. But this is a very spacious master. Plenty of space up here. We have some dual vanities. No soft close. No soft close.
I like this vanity zone.
Do you?
I like that it has the extra space underneath. Like the extra drawer. It's just the shallower sink
Sinks.
bowl.
Right. Then we got a closet. Looking good.
This is what do you people think? This is pretty tiny for a master, no? But you got 5 other closets you can choose from, I guess.
Wait a minute, Mario. You're telling me... Oh. I did not know that was the closet for the whole entire room. I was like, what are you talking about? That's a bathroom closet. It's huge. That's the only one in this room. Now that might be a deal breaker. And it looks like they continue the same color tones throughout.
Hello, Sarah.
$300? Maybe I might be interested at $300.
What are they asking?
$325.
300.
Yeah, 300. It becomes more attractive at 300.
I think they'll take 300 actually.
I think they would. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I actually thought about buying this to flip before these people did, but my numbers on what I was able to pay versus what they paid were drastically different. I think they tried to get at one point $389 for this thing, which it's not gonna happen.
And this is another porch where the ceiling is essentially the deck.
Yeah, it's the roof below. Hey, what's up, Z? You want to come live in our parents' neighborhood? Let me know. I know you're watching. You'd have tons and tons of space for your little dog to run around inside. It can have its own room. You can get him some buddies. I don't know if it's a male or a female dog, really. Let me know. Put it in the comments. Okay, so that's it. So Mario, overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about this house?
For me or for somebody else?
Let's do for you, and then for somebody else. Maybe they have a lot of kids. Maybe they need 6 home offices.
Right. For me, it's a solid 3.
A solid 3. Wow, that's really low. That's really low. For me, I'd say it's a 6. I'd give it a 6.
Okay.
What about
For somebody else?
who could you see
5
living
and a
in
half.
this house?
Eric Soto.
So I'm the only one. So you gotta have a bunch of kids. You're saying
The Arnolds.
the Arnolds? Okay, the Arnolds. Yeah, I mean they might do it.
Yeah.
I don't know what they do with all those extra rooms. But anyway, guys, hey, now Mario and I are just talking to each other. We appreciate you checking out this video. If you want any additional information about this home, or maybe there's a home near you that you want some information about, or you'd like us to go shoot a video of it for you, let us know in the comments, send us a message. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day.